Two questions for you. One, top priority for you as a CIO at NOAA this year. And then 2 to 3 years now, when you attend that conference again, what do you want those customers to say? What are they going to say 2 to 3 years from now as you all continue on this tear you're on in regards to cloud optimization, et cetera?
Thanks. We have a information resource management strategic plan, as I guess most federal agencies do. And our number one goal is to promote our people. And our people and IT folks and federal employees generally, post-pandemic, a lot of us are suffering burnout and stress. And as a CIO, one of the things that we can contribute is what Michelle was just talking about. Using the cloud and the advanced technologies possible to make jobs easier for the IT people. They can have more rewarding jobs if they're not worried about managing hardware. Instead, they could be focusing on the mission. Instead, they could be focusing on what we hope to be showing 2 to 3 years from now, the second part of your question, Luke, that we've reduced the time it takes for great ideas to go from research into products that serve the American people. That can be more rewarding. We can use cloud-based artificial intelligence to save our scientists time and drudgery. To protect seals, we have to look at thousands of images to find the seal and then figure out how well seals are doing. It's one of the things we do in fisheries. Computers can do that a lot faster, and the cloud makes that possible. It's just one little example. Our value chain starts with an observation and ends with information that protects lives and livelihoods. And our administrator has said the value chain isn't over until our information is being used by the American people. So NOD, which I described earlier, is an integral part of making sure that the data ends up getting used. My hope is that 2 to 3 years from now, when we look back, we'll see these changes that we made for the American people, for our employees to make their lives better, and actually have metrics that show that we are improving the time it takes from research to operations, and look back and know that we're also more secure because we've moved towards zero trust, which is a critical thing to minimize some of the risks of software as a service, where it's very easy to get into trouble if you're not careful. So last thing we'll be looking back at is our cloud program office, which we think will have eased the transition, provide the single face to a very complex range of opportunities, and know that we're doing the best job we can as we modernize via moving to cloud and optimized data centers.
Zach,